Ayan. So I always start my day with the Belo SunExpert, specifically this Belo Whitening Sunscreen because this has SPF 50 and PA+. Ayan. For my protection against UV rays, and it is higher than the usual. With the kind of weather that we have here in the Philippines, it is really a must to include the Belo Whitening Sunscreen in our daily regimen before going out. I apply the Belo Whitening Sunscreen products to make sure that my skin keeps on getting the right UV rays protection that I need throughout the day. This one is lightweight, non-sticky, and easily absorbed by the skin. Ganyan, o diba? So I'm not afraid of getting my skin dark while under the sun with my big windows because the Belo Whitening Sunscreen has niacinamide and brightening essence that whitens my skin with continued use. This is the best all-in-one skin product that provides UV rays protection, whitening, and moisturizing all at the same time. So even when I'm just inside the house and no plans of going out, I still make sure to include on my daily regimen using the Belo Whitening Sunscreen products. Because even when we are not out in the sun, we can still be exposed with radiation, especially nowadays, diba, that most of our activities are virtual and requires using of computers, cell phones, tablets, and even while watching on the television. So the Belo SunExpert Whitening Sunscreen has SPF 50 and PA. This is non-sticky, non-comedogenic, paraben-free, and anti-aging siya. Harmful UV rays can penetrate clouds and glass windows. So yung mga windows natin, kahit malilim, yung sinasabi natin na malilim dahil marami namang mga ulap-ulap, Diyos ko, nakaka-penetrate pa rin talagang UV rays ng araw doon. The Belo Whitening Sunscreen products are recommended to use every day because it provides you the all-around skin protection that you need all day and night. Ayan, di ba? Plus, it feels so lightweight and non-greasy talaga siya. For those who are asking kung saan mabibili ang Belo SunExpert Whitening Sunscreen, you can go to their website online store at www.beloessentials.com. Ganon. You can also visit their Shopee account, Lazada account, Watsons, and other leading supermarkets and department stores nationwide. But wait, there's more! Yes! At taas ko na naman dun ha. They have an ongoing promo on Shopee on October 9. Buy one and get one on Belo SunExpert Whitening Sunscreen 50 ml for 385 pesos only. Buy one, get one on Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen 50 ml for 450 pesos only. So buy na kayo mga sus!